So hello, welcome to this videos. In this video we are going throughout to how to install Node.js environment in your system, and for this particular video we are going to set up only for Linux environment. For the Windows we have separate video for that. So first we have to go through and install this video for install the Node.js in this video. So I think we should start. So here is the video overview of this videos. So first of all, what we are going to do is, first of all we have to understand what are the way of installing Node.js in the system, and why we are choosing NVM, as a Node.js environment, and then installation of Node.js through the NVM, and then we are going to just check and validate the installations and some switching between different environments, so that you have to understand, so that you have just load so that you just have understanding of how we can switch between the environments without affecting the existing one. So this is pretty much it for this videos. So we have, so let's just start with the tutorials. So okay, let's just jump out here. Okay, and yes, okay. So if I'm just going through this digital ocean post. So how to install Node.js on Ubuntu 24 by 2022 the stable version of this Linux version. So in this post you will go through this the site, and you can actually install by your own, but let me just walk you through this so that you don't have any problem in the time. So that the credit goes to the obviously the Digital Ocean team for this post. So let's just start with the videos. So first of all, as we see, what are the other ways of installing the Node.js in your system. So in Linux actually, so we have the very first options to install is through the default apt from the default repository. This is the apt repository for default package management in the Ubuntu. So you can just use this to install Node.js. The step is very straightforward. I think you just have to use the sudo apt update, sudo apt install Node.js, and then there we go. We have got the latest Node.js version in your system, and along with that you also have to install npm as expected. So here is the first way. The other way is the node source ppa. So you can add this ppa if you don't have this ppa package manager in your system. You can add this as well. So through a ppa you can it's a very simple step as well. Just go to the home directory, cd, and just copy paste this setup, your shell script, and just nano, and when you do nano you will just see this file in the terminal, and then sudo bash this will execute this bash script, and then you have to apt install Node.js, again the same step, and you will get the Node version in your system. And the third one is the Node.js through the Node version manager, and this is what I am going to do in this video, because if you understand, in the real world you have lot of projects, and you have to manages different version of the Node.js in your machine, and if you install the first version, suppose you install 18 and when you need 19, you have to uninstall the existing and then reinstall the 19 version of the Node.js, which is completely absurd, I think, because this is not gonna help. It will take your time, and also it may get conflicted between your Node.js version. So before, so rather than doing that, we must have a the environment managers that help to manage the Node.js environment. So okay, so enough talking. We will start with these things. So as we have suggested, this is why we have choose NVM, because NVM is the way we can manage different node version, and that is preferable, at least for me and most of the people, I think. And then we will go forward with the installation of NVM. So let's just see. So I will just open my terminal. Okay, I don't know whether you can see or not, but yeah. So this is the terminals. What you have to do, you just have to copy this one. So you just have to copy this one and paste it here. I'm also telling you what is this. This is nothing but we are using curl command, and -o is just show all the content of this script inside this terminal itself. So we are not running this command, we are just using curl to fetch this file here, nothing more than that. So this is not at least this is not a part of installation, but if you just want to make sure what is there inside the script, you can go through the code. So enough of that. So we have seen, nothing to be worried about. Then we have to again the same command, but now it's have the there is a pipe and the bash. So what it does is, it rather than it will output as well as execute the script inside the install as such. So you can see we have executed this install.sh, and that's it, bro. That's it, and that's it. I think not too much about it, and just you have to reload the bash rc file. So I will just copy and paste. So what it does is just nothing, just installation is completed. So you have to reload your environment, not the Node.js environment, on your Linux environment through your bash rc profile. And then we have the list command. Through this you can see all available Node.js version in the till now that they have developed. So you can see here we have 22 latest, LTS means latest, and this long-term support. And so you can see that, but we are going to install 22 just because of the LTS version things. And here we go, we just have to nvm install v22, and you will get, so by default when we try to use v22, just use this, I think, and it will get installed the LTS version itself. It will not going to install all these patch. So I think 17.1. so yeah, you can see here when v22 17.1 and the same LTS, yeah. And now you can use nvm list. Oh, so this will show you how many Node.js already have in your environment. So I have 18, 20, 22. So I already have these two, but currently I have installed v22. as you can see. So pretty much it. You can also install by using this LTS Fermium. So if you look at this, there is a name for each of these LTS, like V20 is an iron, and it's jod and all, hydrogen and gallium, like that. So you can also install by using that. And of course you just look at the node version, you have this, then NVM version is this is pretty much it. And if you want to switch the environments, just you can use NVM use, and V18 I have, so I just use V18, and here we go, we have V18 version of this. So if you go and check node version, this is 18, and the npm is npm minus v again, so 10 to 4. So I think this is very simple and clear to you. If you have any problem while installing, please let me know in the comment box.